Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we are cooking a dish for Chinese New Year known as tofu prawns. First we are going to deep fry the tofu. I have with me over here 2 tubes of egg tofu which I've cut into pieces like this. Deep fry them in hot oil. Just move them around gently, you don't have to break them. When the tofu has firmed up a little, move them around a little bit more. Gently do it because we don't really want to break up the tofu. We will fry this until it's golden brown. You can flip them around very gently because we want both sides to be brown. So when it's done, you just drain them off the oil. Next we will fry the rest of the ingredients. Leave around 1 tablespoon of oil inside this wok, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 red onion sliced. In case you are wondering, I'm using a cast iron wok over here. I just love the clank 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 sound coming. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of your favorite chili paste. I'm using my own chili paste. If you are interested to know how to do this, just search the recipe under Summer to Miss on my YouTube channel. 1 tablespoon of dried shrimp or siami. You don't have to soak this because later we'll be adding some liquid to this. Add in water. This is a variation of the chili crabs. It's a much simpler dish to do. It's easy because you don't have to prepare and clean the crabs beforehand. We are just using prawns over here. Very simple, and we are adding tofu to make this a more fulfilling dish. Once this is done, pour in the tofu which you have just deep fried just now. Let them soak up all the goodness. Let this stew for around 10 minutes or so. I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, as well as 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Lightly stir them around. You'll add in 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste. Let's just give this a taste before we add in the prawns. Wow, fantastic! I'll be adding 15 pieces of prawns. I've taken out the shell from the body, deveined them, as well as cut off the sharp pointed edges. Gently stir them so that the prawns will be cooked. Put the lid on and let them simmer for 2 minutes so that the prawns will be fully cooked. Check out the prawns. They are very well cooked already. I'm just going to add in a little bit of a cornstarch solution to thicken up the sauce a little bit. This dish goes excellent with steamed rice. Not too thick because we'll be adding in 1 egg. Look at how beautiful this dish is. Okay, this will do it for the thinning part. Now if you want your sauce to be silky, what you need to do is off the flame now. Let the heat inside the wok just cook this egg. Put everything in. I like to break it up a little bit and just spread it around. And time to serve this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our tofu prawns. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.